There's one driving habit that feels completely harmless, but it causes thousands of accidents every year, and most beginners don't even realise they're doing it. Driving on autopilot. You start feeling comfortable behind the wheel, so your brain slowly stops paying full attention. You stop scanning the road properly. You stop thinking ahead. And instead of driving consciously, you begin reacting automatically. That's when danger starts. Because accidents usually don't happen when drivers are focused. They happen during small moments of distraction. A quick glance away from the road, a delayed reaction, a missed blind spot. 1 second of mental drift can completely change everything. And the scary part? Your brain often tricks you into thinking you're still fully aware. That's why experienced drivers can still make beginner mistakes, because confidence without awareness becomes dangerous. This is especially common during familiar drives. The same road, the same route, the same turns every day. Your mind relaxes too much, and your attention slowly fades into the background. Then suddenly, a car brakes hard ahead, a pedestrian appears, traffic changes unexpectedly, and your brain reacts too late. Not because you're bad at driving, but because your attention was disconnected from the road. So how do you fix this habit? Simple. Drive actively, not passively. Keep scanning the road ahead. Check mirrors with intention. Predict what other drivers might do before they do it. And most importantly, never let comfort turn into carelessness. Because safe drivers are not the ones who feel the most relaxed. They're the ones who stay mentally aware every second behind the wheel. Because one small moment of unconscious driving can become a mistake you never get to fix.